Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hi, such a beautiful day, and we are off to Montmorency Falls and Quebec City. This is Bharat. We both are twinning. हम भाई 10:30 बजे अभी तक कहीं पहुंचे नहीं हैं, and it's a 3 hours drive from Montreal. So good luck to us. हम पता नहीं कहाँ कितना पहुँचे, हम आपको कितना दिखा पाए, पर जितना भी दिखा पाए. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hi you guys, so we have reached. You can see there's a lot of traffic. And you can see the falls right from here, from the parking lot where we are supposed to go. Show.
So this is the entrance. Construction is going on, so I can maybe zoom in, and those are the falls right there. हम भी वो ब्रिज पे जा रहे हैं.
तो यही वो जगह है जहाँ से आपको केबल कार की टिकट्स मिलेगी. यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स है, कैफ़े है और सिटिंग एरिया भी है जहाँ पे आप रेस्ट कर सकते हैं बिफोर योर वॉक.
So this is the place you need to come, take your tickets. If you're a Quebecan, you get discount of 50%. So we got one ticket, it's otherwise $15. And now we're going, taking the cable car. You can see the falls behind me. Now this is the line to the cable car. Up and down is again $15. So stay tuned, keep watching. हमने नीचे पार्किंग की है जहाँ पे मेन एंट्री है, बट वी आर फीलिंग देयर इज़ अ पार्किंग हियर अपस्टेयर्स आल्सो. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि अगर ऊपर आके पार्किंग कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप अपनी रिसर्च करना. हम रिसर्च करके नहीं आए, लेकिन हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर पार्किंग है. सो दैट मीन्स कुछ तो मिलता होगा टू पार्क, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वॉकिंग गोइंग ऑन सिंस हमने स्टेयर्स नहीं ली, because there are 500 stairs. So if I have a baby with us, our friend's baby, so we took the cable car, and yes, so I think there's a top pickup and a bottom pickup, so you guys take the top pickup. But trust me, I think the view is more nicer down. So let's go down and find out. So this is what I was talking about, the below part, which is called, I think, the Nature's Park, where you can see the view from here. So we're going to go walk towards there and see and take some nice pictures. But the view is so nice. Talking about, I think for me this is a good experience than going up. I feel this is more worth it. You can see the rainbow. Wow, I feel this is more nice because you're near the water, you can see the falls. So if you're coming, you don't want to spend $15 up, I think you guys can come down and also just visit the site. It's beautiful. From Montmorency Falls, we are signing off. We're going to go to Quebec City, probably eat something over there, So stay tuned. I'll take you a little bit. I don't think today पूरा cover कर पाएंगे हम क्यूबेक सिटी. So हम जितना कर पाए उतना हम दिखाएंगे इस व्लॉग में. बट फॉल्स को बाय बाय करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. थैंक गॉड आफ्टर वी केम डाउन अच्छा हो गया वेदर एंड इट्स बिकम नाइस. चलो लेट्स गो. Hi you guys. So we are now at in Quebec City. You can see how pretty are the streets. So Quebec City is one of the most, not one of the most prettiest city in Canada. So yes, it's evening time. You can see how pretty it looks. We just had our food at this place called Paulina. Oh, the food was really nice. Next clip will be from here. But this is how the vibe is. We're just gonna go now, explore something, explore the street, explore the places. So let's go.
We tried this mushroom cheese fondue. It is one of the local delicacies. So if you're in Quebec, you have to try fondues. We visited this cute little Italian restaurant. The food was amazing. The service was amazing. So it's one of our recommendation. We tried their pizzas and pastas and the garlic bread. We couldn't vlog because we were so hungry, but you guys enjoy.
We are now at the street where the castle is here, and also this beautiful street you can see behind, and I can hear music. You are not in Canada, you are in Europe. This just gives you such European vibe. There is a reason why Quebec is called whole Europe. Nobody speaks English here also. They'll speak first with you in French. So this is how the vibe is.
We had reached just in perfect time when the sun was setting and the city was buzzing. We had such a lovely time in Quebec City. Here we are at the most famous iconic Chateau Frontenac Hotel, the crown jewel of Quebec City skyline. This castle-like hotel is one of the most photographed in the world, and it is easy to see why. Walking around it, you can feel the history and charm of the city. From its ground terrace to the cobblestone street below, every angle looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. The streets were alive with jazz music, creating the most romantic vibe. There was so much life and activity around, and the view from the St. Laurent ruin behind us made every moment very magical. I enjoyed simply walking and relaxing and soaking the atmosphere. Next, we wandered off to the street, also known as Treasure Street. This charming little street is filled with local artists and their beautiful creations, paintings, crafts, and unique souvenirs that capture the spirit of Quebec City. Walking here feels like stepping into an open-air gallery where every corner has a story and every piece is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Also, they have so many cafes and restaurants, and as the time was coming to the night, the city was just getting alive.
So हम आ चुके हैं हमारे लास्ट पड़ाव पे. Beautiful sunset in Quebec City. It's so nice, the weather. You feel like you're in Europe. बिल्कुल लगता नहीं कनाडा में है. तो अगर आप कनाडा में हो या नॉर्थ अमेरिका साइड हो and you want to come to Europe, you want to get the vibe of Europe, this is the place to come. It's such a beautiful city. Montreal downtown also has similar vibes, but of course here you get most of the vibes of Europe. Like you see these cute cafes and cute things. So yes, stay tuned. This is the end of that's all for today. मिलते हैं अगले vlog में. Till then, take care. Bye.